This is one of the best thing that happened to me and happened to the customer. The best thing that happened to me is nagkaroon ako ng first customer sa TikTok shop. I decided to open the TikTok shop this month of February and it's crazy kasi nagkaroon ako ng first product sold. Bumili siya ng 7 sachets pero dahil this is the first order and first na nag-support sa TikTok shop, nag-add ako ng additional 2 sachets. Nag-add na rin ako ng notes para sa customer. Indigo is a plant-based powder drink mixed with vitamins. Instead na gumastos ka ng malaki every day sa coffee na nabibili mo sa coffee shop na alam mong hindi healthy sa'yo at full of sugar, instead na bumili ka ng kung ano-anong energy drink na mataas sa calorie, sugar level, at caffeine content, bakit hindi na lang indigo? Ang isang indigo ay meron lang 26 calories and meron ding naturally derived caffeine content coming from guarana and green tea. Meron din tong vitamin B3, B6, B12, and vitamin C na nagre-reduce ng fatigue and tiredness and nagno-normalize ng function ng immune system at nervous system. Kasama sa